up, y'all? So we are heading down to my buddy Gerardo's house. He's got a 2017 F-150 and the engine just took a crap on him, so his brand new truck's in the shop. So we are gonna go and try to work on his 92 Chevy. It's been sitting for a couple of years, so we're gonna try to get it back on the road so he's got something to drive to work. So y'all go ahead and follow along and check that out. We also got Old Blue's battery in here. It's like battery number 4. Alternator is still not charging, and we just had some like -30 weather, so it just fried my brand new battery. So we're gonna go pick up another one, hopefully get that wired up correctly and get Old Blue back on the road. Alright, so we just rolled up on my boy Gerardo's house, so we're fixing to see what we can do. She should just need a battery and she should fire right up, you know, so we'll see. Definitely got a couple little problems we're gonna have to work through, but it shouldn't be too bad, so let's check it out. So it's already got a battery in it. We might throw the jump pack on it because it's definitely dead. We'll see if it's gonna need a new battery or not. Might go pop over to O'Reilly's and get one. How long has it been sitting for?
Definitely a couple of years.
Yeah, maybe just turn the key twice, don't start it. Let it run for a second, get some fuel up there. All right, try it now. Oh yeah, she's trying to crank, hold on. There we go. Woo. Let's start her back together. Alright. Where'd this guy go? Did that other one have a post? Yeah. Well, we kind of forgot to rob the post off of the other one, so we might just kind of do something a little like this and just kind of see what happens. Hold up. All right, go for it. All right, try it now. Pop the gas just one time. All right. All right, hold up. See nothing. All right, so we're getting no spark. So we checked up here at the ignition module. We got 12 volts coming in, but then we're not getting 12 volts coming back out and going to the distributor. So it tells us we probably got a bad ignition module. So probably pop back over to O'Reilly's and pick one of them up. So first thing we did is we took off this fuel line. Let's give us a little bit of clearance down there so we can get to that bolt. All right, we got the new module in. Let's try her now. Don't give it no gas. Don't give it no gas. We already got plenty of gas. What's going on, y'all? It's been a couple days. The other day we were working on Gerardo's truck. Ran into a couple issues. Thought we were gonna be able to just throw a battery in it and get it running. That wasn't the case. So we were having a spark issue. Replaced a couple parts. Were able to get it to fire up. And then we ran out of time. That was on New Year's Eve actually. So we were just trying to put a couple hours in real quick, try to get that thing running. But we ran out of time. Weren't trying to stay out too late on New Year's Eve. So we are back at the house right now. I'm gonna try to get old blue charging again. For some reason, the alternator's not charging. So we're gonna try to fix that and get us back down, try to get some more work done on Gerardo's truck. All right, y'all, I got tricked by O'Reilly's again. Like the 15 millionth try, but that's all right. We figured it out. I do not, in fact, have a one-wire alternator like the guy at O'Reilly's tried tricking me into thinking. I guess that's my fault. I should have known better. But basically what we got here is a normal 3-wire. Now I don't have a Ford alternator, I have a Chevy alternator, so I guess I'm getting a little bit more output, but whatever. Right now I got this wire right here, which is my standard 10 gauge charging wire. It's going up here to the battery like normal. Then you have your excite wire that comes down here and it just goes right back up. Excuse me, not the excite wire, just the trigger wire is gonna go up here. The excite wire is the red wire. I have it wired over here to the ignition side on the starter solenoid. Real simple setup, just a simple 3-wire. See my little harness that I made. Nothing real crazy, but got us charging 13, 14 volts, so. Yeah. Alright, so we out here working on the truck. The other day, like I said, was New Year's Eve, so we ran out of time, but he replaced the ignition control module and the distributor, was able to get it to fire up, drove it down to the gas station, and then it died on him, so he wasn't really sure what was going on, and we're kind of getting late. So we came back today, we were able to fire it up. You tell it's running smooth right now. But he's having this issue where it keeps running rich and smoking and dying on him. Well, the temp sensor down here. You can see he's kind of not really doing anything. It's a little broken. Now it's running all rich. So we're gonna pick us up a new one, we'll be good to go. Ran down to O'Reilly's, picked us up 2 of these bad boys. Clean her out since she's been sitting. Replace this new temp sensor. We're gonna be fast here so we won't spill water everywhere. Oh yeah. Yep. She was just a little bit broken. Go ahead and plug her back in there. Oh, we gotta pull the old guy out. That's gonna be fun. Let's get some needle nose. All right, now she's looking pretty. Clip her in there.
Nice.
Hey, she can catch on fire.
Hey.
Might know what we're doing. Fire her up. Let her rip.
Hold on a minute.
Uh-oh, wait, hold up. What happened?
I unplugged the.
Oh, we unplugged the battery. We on the wrong neighborhood. Oh, yeah. Oh, she happy now. Got a little bit of flat. Hey, we're cruising. Hey, we going somewhere. We'll see how far. That's... All right. Alright y'all, so that'll do it for today's video. Appreciate y'all watching. We were able to change the 3 sensors on here, get this thing running. Drove it for about 30-40 minutes. Got it over to the house, got it all cleaned up. So she's looking good now. Definitely gonna be more videos coming up. Someone tried to break in and broke the window. The door is all wedged shut now. So more stuff will be coming with this truck. Definitely some modifications coming in the future. So I'll make sure you're subscribed and make sure you stay watching.